Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Apple iPhone 6s black display. So last time I showed you guys the tutorial on how to troubleshoot your screen if you have a backlight that's turned on but got a black screen. But I mean you need to replace your display. So this is just a used one that I have to test it out to make sure this phone is good for my customer. And then I purchased another one, a brand new one right here. I'm going to do the unboxing. Let's go and then open this up. Wow. So I'm going to open this up and then do a quick test before I do the installation. You want to go ahead and then test this out first. Be sure not to take out the screen protector and then the red tape that's on the back, or else the seller might think that you used it already or something like that. So you want to make sure you test it out first before you transfer all your camera, your earpiece, your proximity sensor, and all those goody stuff, and your home buttons. Let's go ahead and take out the case. Let me disconnect this. Go ahead and power this on. Gotta be careful with the ribbon cable, okay? There you go. And then after you make sure you boot it up, you want to make sure you go ahead and touch all the keypad and everything works, all the touch sensitivity. Let me check. So you're always going to get the unable to activate your Touch ID because we haven't transferred the home button yet. So anyway, that's how you do a quick test. You make sure all your touch button works and everything. But then your silent switch. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.